Hi, good evening everyone. My name is Kay Hygienich Kasul from BSISM for Charlie, and I would like to discuss the three sets of Ten Commandments. The first is keep right. The second is observe road courtesy. The third one is prohibited parking. And the fourth one is if in doubt, do not overtake. And the fifth one is the bus step rules. And the sixth, rule to prevent or untangible traffic. And the seventh one is observe traffic management measures. And the eighth one is the philosophy of a driver. And the nine is on pedestrians. And the last is remember the international driving safety reminders. And now let's proceed to the second set of Ten Commandments. The first is give way to pedestrian crossing. Number two is do not hog the passing lane. Three is do not use gadgets while driving. Four is stop at the red lights. Five, remember to use turn signals. And six is always keep your cool while driving. Seven is no overtake on solid double yellow or white lines. 8, do not park on no parking side or roads. 9 is follow the speed limit. 10 is the last one is do not drink and drive. Now let's proceed to the last Vatican's drivers 10 commandments. This is a last set. First is you shall not kill. Second is the road shall be for you a means of communication. 3 is courtesy, uprightness, and prudence. 4 is be charitable and help your neighbor. Number 5 is car shall not be you an expression of power and domination. Number 6 is charitably convince the young and not you so young not to be driven when not a fitting condition. Number 7 is support the families and accident victims, of their victims. Number 9 is do on road protects the most vulnerable party. And the last one is number 10, feel responsible towards others.